A day with kitty cats.
Meow!
Would you like to spend a whole day with candy, cookie, and pudding? Choose your favorite time of the day and be... Finally, it's time to play! In the afternoon, Candy, Cookie, and Pudding go to the park and have a great time. Choose one. Move the racket to return the ball and win the game. Great! You won a sticker! Look carefully at Cookie's kite and press on the one which is exactly the same. Good! Another sticker for your collection. It's fun to play hide and seek all together. Look carefully to see which tree they are hidden behind and touch it. Cool! Here you have your sticker. Do you like riding your bike? Let's have a race. Press the buttons alternately to pedal very fast. Ready, set, go! Perfect! You won another sticker! How many goals can you score against Cookie? Choose the direction of the shot and press the ball to determine the strength. Cool! Here you have your sticker. Wow, the park is a mess. Help Candy, Cookie, and Pudding to clean the park, putting each object in the container where it belongs. Perfect! You won another sticker! It's getting dark, and Candy, Cookie, and Pudding must go back home. Walk with them and pay attention to the traffic lights to cross the streets with the green light. Cool! Here you have your sticker.